it's been a long time since I brought in some tips. So, and in fact, I think one of my students was saying, "Ki Pinky ji, we miss your herbal tips and we miss your other tips." So I thought, why not make a simple video only with my tips, the way I used to do long back. So I just wrote down some names of what all tips I can share with you all. So let's first start with my magic man, that the Merlin magic begins now, because you all know I love working with him. So first thing, many people, because of this pandemic, the way things are going, they feel there's a lot of lack of confidence and lack of strength left in them, that they feel we are not able to be successful the way we are not able to do things the way we used to do. So for them I have a small tip. What you can do is, in Amazon you get myrrh oil, myrrh, myrrh oil, or in your puja stores you will get something called as the myrrh resin, and you get the musk powder, musk, musk powder, or you also get musk oil, and with that you get the oak moss oil. Now oak moss oil is a little costly and at the same time little rare to get. So what you can do is, you can take in sandalwood oil, mix these three oils, and every day in the morning take a little bit of it and apply here in your temples. When you apply here, just close your eyes and apply that, I am confident, I am full of strength, I am full of vigor, I am full of energy. Just do that. You don't have to do anything else, just do that, and you will find confidence coming back in you. You will find that you are able to face things in a much better way, not the way you used to face before. Okay, now I was actually taking my list out, and I think it was my candles class going on, and someone asked for loyalty, which are the herbs we can use. So I had given them some herbs also, but I want to give a small tip here. If you feel your partner is not loyal to you, it can be a male partner, it can be a female partner, it can be any partner. Just take lemon peel, take orange peel, and take wintergreen oil. Wintergreen oil is again easily available in Amazon. WINTER, winter, GREEN, green. So take lemon peel and orange peel, dry it. You can dry it in the sun, or you can dry it in your microwave, and then you powder it. Mix it in the wintergreen oil, and what you do is, take white candle, write the name of your partner and say, X is loyal to me, and burn it every day. You can do one more thing. You can, when your partner goes to sleep, you can take a little bit of the oil in your hands, and you can either apply it in the toe finger of his feet, or you can even apply it here in this small point. You can just rub it here, intending that you are loyal to me for lifelong. So this is one way of doing it. And one more, because as I said, pandemic is going on. A lot of people come to me saying, I'm not successful in my ventures, I'm not successful in whatever I do in my life. So for that, take some coconut oil. Every household has coconut oil. In that, take a little bit of nutmeg powder. Everyone has nutmeg powder because it is available in our kitchens. Take nutmeg powder, take star anise powder, and take a little bit of pudina leaves, and soak this in the coconut oil for say 3 to 5 days. Let it soak. You don't have to shake it, you don't do anything, just soak it and keep it. Every day you can either apply it in your white candles and burn for success to be yours. You can also take it a little bit, take it in your hands and rub in your palms, and just say, I am successful in everything that I do. I am successful in all my endeavors, and you will feel that success is all yours. One more way you can do to start your day blessed is, I still remember how my chamomile tea was a hit, and how everyone had tried the chamomile tea until today. It's been, I think, 6-7 years I brought in the chamomile tea tip. Until today, people love having that chamomile tea early in the morning. Same way, you can have a cup of hot cocoa. Hot chocolate, those who love, this is a beautiful tip for them. Just take your hot chocolate. It can be morning or evening, or whenever you feel you are not disturbed. Sit in your open, because now you all know I shifted and I have made a small balcony of mine, a small garden of mine. So I just go there and sit, and then sip by sip, when I have this hot cocoa, I just tell myself, I am blessed in all ventures of my life. I have a blessed life, I have a blessed family, I am blessed with finances, I am blessed with good health, I am blessed with career, I am blessed with everything, and I can see my day going blessed and beautiful. So Hot chocolate is something which is easily, you can pick it up from the market, mix it with milk and have it, and you will just feel it that you're in bliss. Okay. Now, one more thing what you can do is, like, you can take a plain candle like this. If you see here, I've kept a plain blue candle. Take a white candle. In this white candle, apply sandalwood oil and sprinkle mint leaves in it. Okay, apply the sandalwood oil and sprinkle mint leaves, and do a layering. Surround the first layer with oats, the oats which we have for our breakfast. Surround the first layer with oats. Next, surround it with corn. Followed by the corn, you can surround it with white rice, raw rice, not the cooked rice, and the last layer with wheat. Now, what you do is, you start on a Friday and you burn this every day for 10 minutes. You can take even a big candle. What will happen when you do this is, you will feel success in all your endeavors. You will feel whatever are the money flows which is not happening, or some small financial help which you are seeking which is not getting through, that will also get through. I hope you all are liking my tips. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, so that they all can also, try this and they can enjoy this. And if you all like it this time, comment it so that I will bring in because more videos like this. I know it's been a long time. I have not brought such videos. I remember those days when I had some time and I used to prepare every week a herbal tip, and I used to bring in some small videos on oils or on salt or something like that I used to bring, and you all used to love it. Actually, suddenly 2 days back, one of my students, she just said, I so miss watching those videos. You've become so busy and you're not having the time to make them. Then I said, okay, why not I make it? So I am taking my time out to make you all happy and to see this little small smile on your faces when you see me saying all these tips. So the moment you smile, you have to like the video and you have to comment on the video that yes, you loved it and you want to see more of this. Okay, now coming back, I have kept some 2-3 tips more. You can make a small simple money type of a jar at home, more like a jar which will help you in attracting money, in attracting peaceful life. So take a small jar. In that, what you will do is, in a small parchment paper. Now, those who don't have the parchment paper, you can take the brown paper with the medicine bag paper which you get, and write, I am blessed infinitely from the divine or by the divine. Just write that, put the paper inside, put 3 coins, any denomination, put a little bit of tulsi leaves from your garden, and take 1 nutmeg, and you can put 1 pyrite. Now, if you don't have pyrite, you can put aventurine, you can put any green colored crystal, and you will put some marigold flowers. That is the reason why I am also now growing marigold in my garden, so that I can use my marigold in that. 1 cinnamon stick, okay, and just shake it and just intend that all my problems are going away and I am blessed abundantly, and leave it in your puja room. Every day whenever you go to burn the lamp, just shake this jar and say, I am blessed abundantly and all blessings are coming to me in all forms of life, and see how the blessings start working. Now, all of a sudden I remembered hot cocoa, which I had said, same way you all can work on cinnamon tea. I don't know how many of you all have heard this story of mine, where whenever I used to go for outstation workshops, when I used to go to Bombay, Delhi, and all to take workshops, what I used to do is, I used to take early morning flights, because you all know I'm a mother of 7 pets, so I come back on the same day. So early morning I used to pick up this 4:35 flight, and in my Chennai airport there was this I think Cafe Coffee Day downstairs, which used to have this cinnamon donuts, and they used to have this and there was one more place which had cinnamon tea. So I used to pick up the donuts. I was not a very I'm not a very fun loving, or I don't basically love the black teas or the green teas, so I prefer more my tea with milk. So what I used to do, I used to pick up the cinnamon donut, and obviously I used to check in 45 minutes to 1 hour before the flight. So I used to sit and have my donut, and every bite I used to say, money flows to me from all type or from all sides, and I am blessed abundantly with money. And it used to so happen that whenever I used to go to workshops, if I had 20 registrations, at least 2-3 people more would join in, or some places and all, I think 7 or 8 also have joined. So that ways I used to see a lot of abundance. Then I had suggested one of my client to start having cinnamon tea every day, because she not only had issues in finances, she also had issues in her love life. So every day morning she used to make this pure black tea, in which she used to powder the cinnamon and put. I used to tell her, every day pound the cinnamon alone and put it. When you're pounding it, just say, I am blessed abundantly, finances are flowing in my life, and my husband is understanding me and loving me. So she used to pound it, and she used to sprinkle it in the tea and bring the tea to the boil, and then she used to sip it. And slowly, slowly, she started seeing her husband understanding her and being passionate towards her, and listening to what all small small things which she felt he never used to listen before. So try it. Try the cinnamon tea for money, or try the cinnamon donut. If you are a person who doesn't like black tea like me, then go in for the cinnamon donuts. And whenever you try it and when money comes, you'll have to come here and like the video and say yes, it worked and you got the money, because that will make me more happy. Okay, so now coming back to one more tip. I want to give you all a small simple tip for your bathing water. Epsom salt is easily available everywhere. So pick up a little bit of Epsom salt. Say if you're taking 2 teaspoons of Epsom salt, add 1 pinch of baking soda to it. Mix it in your bathing water and put a little bit of 1 or 2 tumbles of rose quartz. And if you're a female, then moonstone. If you're a male member, then a clear quartz. Put that, let it soak in for some time and have bath with that water. Okay, what will happen? You will get healed of any physical ailments, emotional ailments, or if you feel something is troubling you for a long time, you will see yourself coming out of it beautifully. So you can work in that way also. Now coming back, I used to always tell people that when you get upset or when you feel stressed out, you need to wear a shawl around you. Now, when I say shawl, yes, I technically mean the shawl, a proper kapda or a proper cloth. So what you can do is pick up a nice golden color cloth, and in the borders stitch it nicely, make it as a shawl itself. And every day in the morning after you are ready, or once you have finished all your work, or if preferably early in the morning, the first thing when you get up, just take this shawl, put it around you, like your face closed fully like this, and then just say, I am blessed with all the golden energies and I am abundantly blessed. I am receiving infinite blessings from the divine. And just remove the shawl, fold it and keep it. Try this. Don't do visualization and don't do that as if there's a kapda I'm doing it. No, pick up a nice golden cloth, golden yellow cloth, and you try this every day. You will actually feel your aura slowly, slowly becoming into a golden color and you attracting all the good things in life. It has worked beautifully, so you should try it. Same way, in fact, you can try even violet color, but not in the shawl. What you can do is, when you have a bath in your bathroom, when you go for a bath, when you turn the shower on, you can just visualize the water which is coming is violet color, and it is healing your whole body. It is helping you to come out of any health issues, any blockages, any negativity that your body is clinging on to, or if any negativity is just clinging on to your aura, it is getting cleansed as the violet color water is giving you a bath. Try it, because that sometimes works so beautifully. In fact, some people whom I had given this as a tip had said when they have a bath, they feel there's a pull happening in the aura and there's something coming out of it. So do try it now. That's all for today. I will see how many of you are liking it and how many of you are commenting on it. Then only I will bring in one more video. So this time, see to that you're liking it, you're leaving your comments, and also do share it with your family and friends so that they all can make use of this at this time of pandemic, where everyone is just looking in for abundance, where everyone is looking in for strength and confidence. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Have a blessed day, and God bless you all with all the happiness and all the good things in life. Thank you.